fact. Information I'm picking was that you were involved in serious malpractice, corruption-related issues. The president caught you and he sacked you. You were a thief. You were a thief. Who boy? A to sell to the TV so can kwasi asem. Show us. Baomia na we Jimmy Tran or Jimmy to sell obedin nim Baomia. Nanko is smarter. Why should he allow somebody like you who is engulfed in corruption to lead his communication? Now, the same Miracle Aboagye, time and no to me. This is what he said. I'll say, after all these things, it's a whole communications director for Baomia. I'll say, I can't pay. I can't pay. Dennis Miracle Aboagye, Ekufuado Pamono for corruption into a Pamono. So, ye Pamoni Frabamu, no, a DC, Dennis Aboagye, Miracle Aboagye, Mumusano. Now, this guy will sit on TV, so, Obeka politics. That's him. Amansia West, Amansia North. Ekufuado sacks Amansia South, Ekuapem North DCs. Nominate replacement. Ya Pamo Aboagye, Mumusano. 2020, ya Pamo Miracle Aboagye DC. Corruption in tea. He thinks to say, oh, say, Onimsa Baomiam with Jimmy. Now Baomia was say Krano. If you want to get somebody to speak for you, get somebody who does not have anything like corruption attached to them. Somebody who can boldly sit on TV and say, you know something, you cannot tell me I'm corrupt. You cannot tell me I did a job that I did not really convince my employer. You cannot tell me I'm not competent. Aboagye is incompetent. He was sacked. The guy has no credibility. The guy does not look intelligent. This boy, Mumusano. And today, a whole Baomia, your campaign is being led by an incompetent imposter, an incompetent liar like you. How can this guy give you power? Now, Jimmy, we sorry, I can't pay. Go, Okasa, na no se. How's that for cap on the train salano? Oh, ox them. You don't know home, Mr. Jimmy. When are you to me? Meme wa hand when are you to me? You people should put things into consideration, Obi Kano. You sit down as I am Baomia. Okay. I want to. Ye in a DVA no. There is about obi corrupt politician. Hey, Mamma Ekufuado Pamni we no. And your busa and say na sa okura no krono nti Ekufuado Pamo. Or see you know something. My revocation of my appointment as Ekuapem North MC strategic. NPP needed my services. Wait. Ekufuado Pam no say na the sack strategic. Well, could we see Ekufuado so too corruption? Get off. Get out of there, dirty boy. Our Pamon say we. They sacked him like a thief. Crop for me. Ekufuado Pamon to say we. Get out from the office, dirty boy. You are sitting at Ekuapem North. You are doing dealings. You young boy, greedy boy. You are stealing from me. Ekufuado. I say sack that thing from the office. Your permanent sakuko. Now, Obawumia strategically. Instead of you to go get somebody or reputation kakra. Somebody with a little bit of reputation. Obi hu no be fari nanim. Wait. Now nothing things buta. Oh, we'll tell you. Do you want to understand? Let me tell you. You know this boy. They say, "Share wait. Oh yeah, political ex-convict. Ya chidin ya pamono." Nipa bebre nim akwa we record. I see a pamoni because it was strategic. Whoa, a good word of pamo because of strategy. A good word of pamo was a strategy. Yeah, sacking was you know, my revocation of my appointment. Sacking of you, I'll say revocation of my appointment. Now, a dear moral right now, we also turn TV so say, and we are ye, and we are ye. What could book chrono me up from with office? Tell us why you were sacked. Or say, strategic. Sir, letter there, the mouse say, Pamono, Kofabrani, and Kanjiro. Prove to us. Bring that letter out. Revocation by no, letter because appointment by my letter. I am daring you. If you say you are not corrupt and a criminal, bring that letter when you were sacked. Publish it and let's see. Dennis Miracle Aboagye Kromfo. Me say, I am daring you. Say, because of corruption in your pamuwa. Produce that revocation letter because if I were you, your pamuwa, your letter. Let us read the letter. Let us read the letter. Now we are there. Why the to the India better TV so say or no be kind politics na nkofo tie no and na we me say Miracle Aboagye miracle what I say from miracles when you say the kotra na egu o me say so we say enya krono ntini pamo as an MC e we kuapem nota provide revocation letter no so dismissal letter let us see what they wrote in it and I could for the town of free office war. I am daring you. I want to say, or your cromfo into your pamono. Prove to us that you were not a thief into your pamon. Prove to Ghana for. We want to see your credibility. Miracle Aboagye, show us your dismissal letter. Say, go for and throw. Say you are corrupt. You have been involved in corruption. That's why you were sacked. Prove to us. On to me, yeah. Or your cromfo. He should release the letter tonight. Now, I when in TV, so I speak for Baomia, and and I'm saying, one was a buta. Oh, bodam. Oh, bonwe. Professor says, oh, miracle. Oh, bonwe. You smell like a thief. You smell like a thief. You have the smell of a thief. Prove to us that you are not a thief. Okay, I'm not saying you're a thief. Now prove to us for a letter to prove to us so we. Give us the dismissal letter. I am daring you. I want to prove to Ghana for say you were sacked because of corruption. You were sacked because of thievery. You were sacked because you stole from the taxpayer. You Miracle Aboagye, I am saying authority can go to any court. Prove to us your dismissal letter. See, I'm not dismissal letter. What's say case? A filthy thief like this. Okay, unyewi. Okay, Miracle unyewi. Prove to us, say, show us the letter. Show us. My own show credibility. And send Ochina TV. So, bring the letter out, Miracle. Prove we are saying I say, what are customer Baomia? Bring your letter out. Bring it. Dismissal letter. Let us see. Any dirty person can sit on TV and speak today. You scrutinize him. Prove to us until you show us the letter. I will call you a thief. Miracle Aboagye, until you bring out that letter. I'm sure to Ghanaians that I was dismissed because it was strategic in the letter. Let us see your dismissal letter. Until you, Miracle, you provide to the media your dismissal letter while you were sacked as the MCE of Ekuapem North, I will see you as a thief. Until you produce that letter. The day you produce that letter, I will never see you as a thief again. Produce that dismissal letter. Nanado cried to me, Pamodi. I saw you dying. If Nanado, or no, the whole world, you probably our bon pa, Ekufuado to me sacco, Ekufuado ni certificate, Ekufuado drag addict to me sacco there. And the one gets an a war problem. Now was serious problem. Say Ekufuado a sacco. It's a sacco because Ekufuado he represents sack. Ekufuado he represents failure. And he said failure a sacco. Maybe my thing to you is simple. I'm going to take you on from today. Prove to Ghana for say unyewi. Because from what I know, say opeso prove say unyewi, you show us your dismissal letter. And the information I'm picking was that you were involved in serious malpractice, corruption related issues. The president caught you and he sacked you. if you want to prove me wrong, say Adentina mi we show us the letter. You are a thief until you show us that letter. Until you show Ghana that a dismissal letter. You are a thief. Who born a re to sell what it TV so can kwasi asem. A re. Show us. Baomia na we Jimmy to sell obedi nim Baomia. Nanko is smarter. Why should he allow somebody like you who is engulfed in corruption to lead his communication? Now, when a failure sucks a failure, Ekufuado is a failure, and you allow Ekufuado who is a failure to suck you. Hey, and your only life, who you dying be crying now. Jimmy to say, Dennis Miracle Aboagye. What is about this guy? I say, me tea boy we pa me pese me to my MPP. Me pese me to Sam Adwene. What is interesting about him? What is interesting about that thing? The one say pattern. What is interesting about him? This guy led Bawumia for Bawumia to lose almost 1.8 million votes. Even when Bawumia was losing elections, now Kwasia wait to TV so say we don't win elections on Facebook. Go and see. The guy was losing the elections. Every single week, now Dennis Aboagye check to go do press conference. Oh, we are going. This guy was just taking the money. And people were following him. But Onimisa Bawumia is ignorant. Onimisa partner Jimmy. And this is how he's making money. Because Bawumia is David Aboagye's cash cow. Dennis Aboagye ne cash cow ne Bawumia. Who was he before he met Bawumia? He was nothing. But he capitalized on Bawumia's ignorance. And the people around Bawumia because they are daft. Into winning the oil. What he's doing is he's still doing the 442 formation now. The Bawumia bar 1.8, you know. And I can tell you on authority, Mahamudu Bawumia is going to win the primaries. He will not cross the Onyai last time. Yeah. And it's because these foolish boys. He will be to say Kofio for soon cancer. When Nimsa war. Kwasiasa no to me by any say or beton Kennedy amaye. Now me start investigative journalism. Now ofosun cancer who fi na wen. Oti a nape ebo jantra who ofosun cancer. Kofi ofosun cancer. Nipa fi na wo enya politics a ka oti penny Kennedy. Kofi ofosun cancer. Enya politics na ye for. Enya politics na ye tire. And I can't nana aveli no ho ema nyome bi ani senko ye oye ya na nkenya politics na say ya nkeye de na wo for sun cancer to me by ye ne inbox me say you have debt on Kennedy oh de breye wo a dirty man like you wo me say de me de ba no party no mechi wachimu wo party no o mechimu no mahataw. And it hurts because you see these boys dirty boys. See how the NPP has sunk low. They go on TV and radio, they have no message. They have nothing. For 8 months, 9 months, they've not been able to entice anybody. They've not been able to bring anybody on board and say, Yenimunyan Sampo. These are fools. They are real people. The last time I was listening to Same Crab, the former secretary or whatever, and you listen to him, the knowledge. When I listen to Afoko, and I'm like, how did these people end up with these small, tiny animals? These are termites. Picking fights, unnecessary, small, dirty things. I'm like, how do you win elections like that? These are traitors. These boys are traitors. They are hungry lizards. Kofi Ofosun cancer cause standing on one chrome. Nema ame wo no ho. Almost so a Jimmy for pamono. How can this guy follow you for you to win elections? Kofi Ofosun cancer. Ni chrome before bonu tutuo. Almost in the nimsa wo. They did not give him power. So that time cannot nape. He was making money. He could not win parliamentary seats. Prime Minister went to win. Now, Kwasia we no akota na betra. I say I support Bawumia. The perfume is a dirty fool. And so they see Bawumia as a cash cow. Miracle Aboagye mono. Bawumia a cash cow because you know something. Miracle Aboagye obey DC me pamono. Only track record. Go and check his track record. Yeah, in DC ya pamono. Because of what? Mumusa na nti ya pamono. Ne ho bon eri. Ne ho bon eri, ne ho bon krono. Why was he sacked as a DC? Mumusa Miracle Aboagye. Why did they sack him as a DC? Ne ho bon eri. Ne ho bon binini wi. ne ho bon ebini ni wi ni ebini ne ho bon ewi. Such a person does not have any credibility to come and clean Bawumia. Enti omo wusa Bawumia too is ignorant, very ignorant. And na me yama Bawumia no. Very ignorant. And this little termite in a party. And there ujina MPP anima unhu bema pomboni din. So where you can't even get one. You can't even get a single person who say, wait there. He looks respectable. I cannot even use some words against him. See what they are doing on social media. Dirty, childish, Jimmy. Like, you ask yourself, say, how did these people end up as people leading Bawumia's campaign? Now, let me show you something. He was sacked. Dennis Aboagye, your permanent DC. Yeah. Now, how can that make somebody president? Mumbuzani said, what made them sack him? Corruption. Sikedie. Kabema basa. Na basa se ho. Na basa sa so. Sikedie. Into ono onyaw. Or to say leech. Or to say sonson. Or to say gogome. Se obetare wo ho a. Onfri wo ho no. Onsibia wa fon aye. And he knows how to suck you dry. Aboagye life no. Into han nia. Or the Bawumia and a cash cow. Oh boss, you need. So we are doing well. We need something small to start press conference. Oh, when we go to Asafo. Now Bawumia nim the echo. Yeah. And we go home video be yes say Miracle Aboagye the odi Bawumia campaign sika na koto dan no ono so hia se bi ono so ka.
I don't know why, but I get a sense say I say NDC former cast spell be good on my so. Sir. Because you see who didn't hear I say Chief Justice I say when and I mean my friend say a serious matter because when I don't expect anger, I expect sadness, I expect person who are who be person who say I don't know Obi
Miracle Aboagye we about me campaigns Kenya koto dan o se on tiase adentina Ghana fo bumfu ye eye tokonu asem na aba no adan na kejetia fo mba na some strong go Kumase kone ko kejetia fo mba se omwuro ombo mu agida adegye ana eye MPP loyal ladies no omo ye den akosha me na hwene se bini onko gada omo no mo ndwo mo ho ye pese ehu anufuo ndwan ontiase I say NDC for Ghana for Drew. The AC, the Eto, Ayetokonu, no, na Charlotte say no ekube. Meboa. Why when him fiance Coco Cap? Charlotte say. Time ana mo trust our fake petition na mudi no. When ya even the petition to read, no. Charlotte said there, no oyekube or tare down. Why when him fiance Coco Cap? Abegina say, onti ase. O say Ghana for bufu. CJ Tokonu de nufu ya 9, the 2 num, and I CJ de ni yan watch into onti ase, and na Ghana for bufu ye. MPP loyal ladies wo and how many ho monko form where mon form ngu basim ko gira circle na monka so mon woro mo ho ye bese ehwe bibi omunyi 32 d ni free ho sa entoma na mabbo ahwe mo nufu ase no omunyi no mondwo mo ho ne ehu se mani abre oje se Ghana fo agimi me se ade amode ye Ghana fo no moje se Ghana fo no mote Ghana ne yegimi ye refi bibiansi yo when there's no problem you don't have to call Jesus. What is happening now? People are now seeing the difference between abain papa and kwasiafo abain. Obetina radio so when to man can chire obi say President Ebu Mraso. When to man pointed to one emra process where ye the check Chief Justice say no song and asa nya no song no. When to man am mentioning emra ba ko obi ebusu o Ghana. Wodi wanim fin say Coco Cap abetina say on tiase. I say NDC for Ghana for edro. Ye nya Ghana for edro. Ghana for nyansa omo wuso mo yenwan MPP loyal ladies enyo modwuma na say yakọ campaign na ene o mada say mmoa o emredu monko gada omo say nkokọ na monka nche loyal ladies ni say omo nyina mra omo medwa omo ho omo beyi omo nufu ntoso so omo do Chief Justice Tokonu a because Charlotte say no onyo ba na meboa enti say mo MPP for no say mo problem with the wo ho na mesrɛ mo Mama mo loyal ladies no omo ntoma hihye mo nufu ase. Omo sori na mo de eye de oba tanku afọ mo nufu ho. Sa eye loyal ladies na mo ko campaign na mo de omo tototo se amane na mo ne omo da se mmoa no. Mo nka nche mo se omo ndwa omo ho. Omo magina circle na omo wuro omo ho. Na omo nye eye de ye kire kese e support Chief Justice na NPP ne manim. Ana se muhu eye hawa kumsin se oyekube. Ana sa emana omote TV so ekasama mo no muhu omo so omo ye shovel. Ana sa mana omo kasama MPP no omo ye banche. So omo so ye nipa mundi omo nyina echi na mo be demonstration inwan. Ye ka kire mo se amemuo ye mfa dada atro ahantan mo disrespect Ghana for mo de Ghana for fa oyaw mu mo bo nipa tuo wo miracle Aboagye. Wano wo wi se Egypt for aponche kokko wa betena ho se onti ase aye se Ghana for MPDC ayo moduro motena kroma bo nipa nwotwetuo te nyame na mpe bona nka se bi kan motena kroma bo nipa tuo etena TV so ni radio so e defend ye wa no fia wabodwe fia se koko cap abetena ho onti ase hwenanim ase koko cap.
I don't know why, but I get a sense as a and this former caster spell be good on my so. Because you see, who didn't hear? I say Chief Justice I say when and I mean my friend say a serious matter because
now so who a man for
when I don't expect anger, I expect sadness, I expect me who be me who say I don't know. Obi, I don't know.
Until or expect you problem no day why we forgot Jesus or expect to be see a rehomra na just say yen creative problem from where there's no problem. Oh, the mindset of the NPP. Until adentina Ghana for hunyansa dodo adentina asantefo dodo om di MPP echi ehunyansa dodo adentina jandam no enko yati kroma na nsen asantefo ma sebio omodi mokwedi nkyene sebio yentumi mbu omo so me kwase abiom asantefo ma sebio embre bi mutwa omo atro edada omo esi central ebekachem so mawie central market eja to ho mobedi omo agro bedi omo atam ekotena nkran ende asantefo ma na mubu omo so omo agimi no ye ma me no mgu asantime mu na omunya obi ma ne nka no krenkyere omo a until say ye ba ye be bie nyoma so kyere omo no ye ma me no omo ni abie omo nya nkwasiafo bi mu ende omo nyina omo bi omo no omo kasa mo MPP fo nkwasiafo ene asantefo ma me nom omo tidwa omo didwa omo koba omo hu aban difference between NDC and MPP ende omo kasa
ampare de wura bedu waba osumi numuni nyame ya adom ye wura besesa no ma ye hwe sika ye dollars ya sɛdeɛ mitie ya wosi ama na ba fam a rekwasɛm nie ye fa akonya so de papa ya se ya da na se papa wa na de mpa na sɛ ye be sɛ ya se sai ba fam a ebe bo ayen ɛna nso na ye ho kyere ye saa ye wura wada ro ma nyame hia bebre wo mitie wa de mpa wanya sɛ de minu an ka ya se da kɛseɛ ɛne ye de ma ye wura ya de nyina ya papa o ma pani Excellency John Mama no kwasa madwadifo nyina ka ye ho bomu eye se ye de ewura no besa ba power biem no wa beboa yen ye nyina ye di tumu na ye wura nso ne ka se o di tumu se ye de ne ba obeba nyina gina oba pa oba uti dom eye wa wura wo ye wa de nyina ye ma no rondina ye sa da wase bio efi se wa de mpa wo de ma wura ene ma ni hu o man ye hawo ne amane a wadi aboa ya wa mesika no aba fama mayen yesra ma yenuanom afitafo yenuanom magazine fo emra no ma aba fam yi mo so motete no ma no so mane moayen na o my Ghana nso nya na so mdue yesra dia akonya nso biem enso esa ya papa sana dia de nyina na dawroma emra de na bayi se bo dua dwadifo ho wa boa yen wa tie ye ne wa beji adwuma so obeya amayen esesa ya wa sha ase no Oma dollars ni samra fem bebre na yesidis no empeja na o my Ghana nso mfa ne ntuma pemfra asantoma mfa ntuma pemfra na no ma no nso na dawroma sani petrol wa me na ba fam on sama ne mra fam na driver for yesra mo emra petrol ba fam no magazine fo nso ma no ma mra fam ka ho no ma nyina mra fam eno ma ye no beauty adaso no ye wura do mama ma woni nko ho ma no ma nyina mra fam se do ma dollars aba fam no beauty free ya perisa the beauty ni free ma ye ma no ma nyina mra fam ma sasante ma ye hu sa ba ye to ma wo no ye nu ye ho da bialada ye wura do mama nyame so bebre okoso na nim die ni nyansa one more no penny phone na na dem pa amanya mo my Ghana no yetimi akoso o penny phone yi yebre we nyina yetetene mframam say yesi bi no mo keka say yese yempe wo mo boa yaje na tum management yaje na tum kemi ya boss yaje na tum region say yaje na tum asante ma na ni dem phone na ya bo mo tidom ye no mo nyina adu o man no esi asante man ama asante man ate ma yewura nso ani die awia ne paye o ma ame nso ani die awia ne paye ye kan ya kan sai phase 2 adaworoma phase 1 ama na mbesi ye sa do phase 2 ye nwie ye ja ho ye de twa wo na abetimi ye beto aso ma ye na de before na ye ni abedi a sa do ye fa akonye so da wasie ejadie e ya de ma hu hia ye yie e be de hwie fie ye de hwie wuranom ye de hwie ma ye de hwie busua phase 2 adaworoma da be hwie ma ye wi asa to aso phase 3 any profrom sabe abaya maye profrom abayi ba so woyeye abakwa bobi amua wa na yede da wo na abetimi aye wadan rewa do ma me tuani be profrom dwa medwa no nso nyedwa de enua na egu ka kwa ho aka etufi yeso obi enya dwa wura mu a sade we nyina be firi ho ama asantema pa no tuma pa fira de fa akwanya so eda empanifo nyina
obebu sound say mami penyini sei sebio nkobeka se bibia memfie dui ene maamefo mu tinechi yeri asanteme mu ne ewo yesum sikedwa ya asantefo mo na mo ye mo politics ye de fa ye ho ben basa wo se mpenifo sei eti asanteme mu metuma ka kire obi anya de hye nchen no but de o ye nyina nde no enya onu ntira eye bia ne babi ne nana bi onim se aban bia ntumi mba Ghana obeye bibia manesi pepepe but aban no ene nipa no mudi de sa aban nim no opepa omowo ene adwene po a sebio omo akire se anytime be mo akonye bia no omo de nipa bi enwa adwene pa eto omo tirim ebo omo nti tie maame we ni maame fo no mtine kina sebio omo ya santefo mapa omo buotufo omo som sikedwa nanso omo hu ni se impuntuo ehia aban ba na se etua ye to a o se aban no twa nani ebehweye na sebio mo aban de beboa ne nde no na ono so e de ahwe ne nkirimba ne nana ana ne baba bi enti de oye no enye because of say odo politics ama enye se bia ohu politician da ana se ohu NDC aban da ana ohu MPP aban da de oye no opese Ghana 40 ase se wasuansua suansa omo nya nkwara omo ya santifo mapa and omo santisem eye omo fe omo ntontwene nanso eba impuntua eba eto yetua ma aban indi sa aban betena oman so a e se aban no ejeje eto no e se de nipa no so pe no de omo timan ni mu pe no e se aban no so etumi ye. So these people are not doing politics. They are basically saying say they have been disappointed and misled by the NPP for years. And that's why omo de to MPP mu omo de ma MPP omo de ko to abama MPP for 8 years. Omo krampa from the stronghold. MPP anchiro mu ebuo impuntu djuma ba kokrampo no went to fa ba asante no eno na ama omo agina so omu se John Mahama ne NDC for aban we omo ni munyansa chen MPP aban enye se omo tan MPP omo kire se omo ye nipa ye ka se obi ye rational a ye ka se obi ye rational a opepa ne to a onhua opepa ne to a omfa nhye nenum okoja ne nan na opepa ne to a ototwene we mo ye rational human being omo adwene wo fie we nkire se omo nya asantefo we nkire se omo mbuotumfo we nkire se omo mamre no obi beje afiro mu nsem we nkire se ebema otumfo ahine na odina abafom we nkire se ebema asanteman aye kurubone we nkire se omo ye nipa omo adwene ko fie. And that is what we have been talking about every day. So we kounia, so we infantinia, so we uneni na we NDC ni na we MPP ni. And yes, so we uneni nti, sebi we NDC ya di enya ni sa oka. No, and they are showing it. And these are women. Omo abain upon abain. Me ke kurampo no. Ebi mo no mo omo ya tama ya kunu no mo ho the 70s and 60s. Omo fa ni nyina mu. Inti ade na be mo masore nne abeka say we die yaswansa ye o se ehu say ye kasam na mpunti obafie efri say nipa dwene MPP for so mu eye enyansafo say ya omo di bibia to nchen primpunti a omo hu mu so mo ye enemies and obehu no maka nsama from amifo we hu omo akoji sika omo akoye say because ye ne asantifo di bi ne mpempunti ompe no kore asantiman kura ye tim eye Ashanti region ultimi Ashanti region entimi fa bibi enfa onsanti bibi so nka say we ye MPP ne ye ma asantiman a ye nya ho mfaso economically socially and politically ultimi fa onsansi ade ba akoso ede ade bibie ni ho enti so wo maamifo say na nda omatwe mic camera si omonim na omo kasa omo kire aban aba say sebio bibi nti na me toma wo wa ye bi da ye hu opepa nkofo ye ne ankase party kra ne omote no omanfa bu amaye nti ye srew opepa na ye wo ma wo na waba no toaso what starting ye ye pese emua bia na ye pa ye nsankan no Central Market phase 2 eye ofori krom omo kire de omo pa aban ne nsan toaso we na ye nyansani ba we na ye opanyina otifi a oboa amaya chichiri fie because amaamifo we tena Ghana etena santimemu na omo ankasem omo anka no kore omo ama Ghana fo ehu de wo se aban ye ma omo na se ye asantesem ye otumfo de hye ye de esomo sikedwa na omo tena wo sa na sebio se baafo wuo ba na omo wu a omo na nanom na bebre enti we mu no they are being proactive speaks that for proactive eso a big word omo dwin kokan omo dwin ko enim omo din kan afọ omo ho adwene ene adwene kese omo ko omo nim adwene pa ansana debio asem ya to omo nananom daache enti do not hate them, do not see them so omo tan asante, do not see them say omo tan nipa bi omo tan sikedwa omo kire say ye pese ye boss sante ho ban ye mpuntu de betu na kire sante ebia ne say ohini bi efri ni kroma ba wo be park plane won kran we ntima fa plane na makuma ase ye nimguase ama ye nyina obi tuma tena nkran na ofre ya maame no mu asantemem so mo ye nkurasefo adentra de ohunu on kran na ebi ni kumase na se de won kran ebi okumase a obi betuma tena nkran aka kire maame no mu so mo ye nkurasefo. No, it is because politics na ama nipa bi tumi ka kire nipa bi so mo ye nkurasefo ni nyina ne se impuntu a emba baby e chen baby impuntu a wo baby chen baby na ma nipa bi tumi se obi so obi ye kuraseni because obi tuma tena radio so ka kire asanteman say yes sky train
ho no mako esi amno ka sei Uni sana na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye build train et na fensu so. Seriously. Ye build train na fensu so. Ti be fensu so de. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ni ade omunim. Train fensu ni ade enche kra. Sana na do de fensu so no. But me also do ba fensu na se. Di e kwa no.
Eurostar.
Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no can see no. Aka no mo wie. Yes, a company shows on your plane, train. No, a bit of South Africa, and check the Babadu. From Kumasi to Accra, you use 1 hour 30 minutes. You can put my trip Kumasi, I Juma Accra. That is the plan. I have a contract, Masha manufacture trains near the Babison. Next year, Kumasi, the only flat caravan, a sober. These are things I guess because I
had done a Santinia Brantier. Ebetena radio so asantemem no otwa santeman tro busa ho sa dentra. How? Why is that possible? Ehe den asanteni tumi bie radio na ode asanteni abetena so say twa santeman tro say train bi na munsuo so ba intimunda so ntoma MPP na ye maame no ma omode akoma pa e de MPP echi no motumi de omo tena asantemem na madada omo. This is where my problem is, and that is what some of the guys on the MPP chino montiasie inti abrantie we abetena radio so ne maamenom ne sewa monom se wako school we de wako suade we de opayie opampuntu abrefie we de okasa amampuntu abafie na abrantie ne tena radio so tena wuntumi radio so e wa santimemu na one chema wuntumi tena radio so edi atro ya maamenom ani abre omo ye adwuma omo tete omo mawrem na omo tie radio na impuntu na wo se ka no kreche se aban ne mfamba no na yete asanteman radio so na we ye this yo na saa kwa we ne me wan ne pass asanteman yie wan ne pe otumfo yie na kwase bi te wo se be di otumfo atem adedira me ka cho se nkofo we enka no kre ebumfia omo mbu asanteman a wo se me di otumfo atem ujimi obodam and ojin se na wo ka me megai Intoka say Kevin tell you to Vatama, me betena ha men ka santima asem. Men ka atra MPP twa. Na ma be din aden obi bekasa wabodam. Let me tell you people. Mami fo e bo video yi ene se bi omam di MPP echi no. Ya obi be friend no, ya friend den, ya friend history. And your facts. Let me tell you. History. You can manipulate history to favor you, your own narrative. But facts, you cannot manipulate facts. Sameka say, "O maami nie." You cannot change your mother, but you can change your father. Because oba pe enenim edien ne ba. Oba ne wo. Enti meka say oye dien say oba nkwa ne wo. Enti say ka say o maami nie a, o papa betima multiple. Enti facts are facts. Say ka say history. History. Mameka be nchiramo. Abakwasem. You can twist narration to favor your narrative. Enti yaka say history. There's nothing in history will be to mean the end that done no emani sutino. Enti say one yes smarter. Kwase bi the history one manipulate what to me adan dane no. What to me aden what change na mana suit the narrative to lie to you. But what is a fact is a fact. The fact is that NPP as a political party omunsi regional hospital or Ghana is a fact. The fact is that NPP as a political party omunsi one university in Ghana, it is a fact. The fact is that NPP as a political party omunsi any efficient factory Juma in Ghana is a fact. NPP as a political party in Ghana today, to be pointed to any senior high school omunsi from scratch is a fact. But when it comes to history, I can tell you, say, asema esi ewo eyade praso sebio ye bo asantehini tuo sebio osetutu ne nananom tuo ewo praso no. There were 7 people there. Achimfo can give you their narrative of the story. Asantefo betimama omo narration of the story. People who were not even part of the war. Ebia na ekueni bi etetenwure mu a ohu akono. Ono so betimama the narrative of the story. When it comes to history, you can manipulate it any way you like to suit you. Enti it is what I say obi asantini or tia santikasa. It is not any exclusive thing. So bishia aigbeni anamishia ahuneni na se na no da igbem no kan bobo o say hey where do ta igbo oya igbeni what's the big deal here? So tia santini na kan santifo history oya santini there's nothing extraordinary exceptional about it because there or no ye no. When I meet a young man who is giving me the facts and letting me know, say, this fact I can not contest her or you're unique, and that is different. And then I will say a tiasie. There's nothing extraordinary about somebody telling their story, telling their history, telling their clan story. There's nothing extraordinary about it. So Michelle Santina can say, "Oh, tia Santia, na Santinica Santia, what Michelle Cranny no to me can cry." Why should I be shocked when Cranny to me can cry? So asantini to become asante. Mishia krobonina or kind krobofo. History actually. Why should it be an extraordinary thing? Me amfantini. So me can fanti for history actually. You should not be surprised because me amfantini. But facts are sacred. And that is the distinction we need to know. I have to say the line between a miracle and magic, they are not the same. Miracle is for forever, it's everlasting. Magic exists for a period and disappears. Actually, wait, Jimmy. In China, sometimes, you know, I know the MPP, you know, I know my dream says, or the history, or the on history, or you're intelligent. It does not make you intelligent. It's like you knowing what you do. But when it comes to the facts, they are different. And that is what we do here. We deal with the facts. What we do here is that we deal with the facts. If you're not ready to deal with the facts, anybody, Obiara can walk to you and tell you their history. Anybody can tell you. Ubetube Yasante 4-3. Every mention, one history, they will tell you different events they see. Yeah. Ubetube Yasante 4-3. Omu history, omu yinaba, the same story, they will say it in 3 different ways. Because it's history. And there are so many ways among for a recorded history. The perception about history, how they understand history. It's history now, it makes you intelligent. No, you're a fool. You need to go further. You need to go beyond your history. You need to follow the facts. That is what you cannot contest. When I put something out that you cannot contest, it makes me superior than you knowing your history. Because you knowing your history is not extraordinary. But me putting a fact here and you not being able to contest my fact to make me look like said they're making minimum, then it makes you intelligent. But if you know your history, it does not make you intelligent. It does not make you smart. Me I'm not shocked. Me want Santino Santi, I'm not shocked. Me want Santino Santi for history, I'm not shocked because your history and me history. So you can decide to tell it in a way that will suit you, that will look good to you, that will be nice to you. Because when we sit here, Samekacho say Yanka history about Senia Konfanoche Edisi Kejabaya. Miya Santiformian story be different. Yes, that is history. Yebusa artificial intelligence about Sikejwa or my history about Sikejwa. Yebusa different sources. A different accounts of Sikejwa, how it appeared, whether it was welded, it came from the sky, whether somebody that is history. You can manipulate it. Especially if you want it to suit you, you can manipulate history to suit you. So me, I'm not so enthused. I don't get so enthused when I see people talk about history. No. Especially when people talk about their own history. No. It does not make you intelligent. It makes you more stupid. You need to go beyond your history. You need to prove with facts. You need to be able to challenge people with facts. Send a man for Beka say yes. Because for you to just talk about history there, it makes you a dull moment. A dull moment. You have no idea about what you're talking about. And anytime I catch a Ghana for say, Mommy and facts no. Eden na NDC aye. Eden na MPP aye. Se ura santimemwa. Oya santini na uti radio so TV so Facebook YouTube. Na wodo on size si nyoma eye edu num MPP aye wa santimemu. No acham say these are facts. Mesu bi ura santimema na ma che nyoma edu num eduasa. Nyoma 50 NDC aye wa santimemu. They are facts. These things. It's been a long time I picked this book up. This book is the Green Book. So me be the Ashanti region Chirewa. There's nowhere in this book Ashanti region Project Woman anywhere. These are facts. And nobody can challenge this book because at DBA book will be a Green Book. You see a Ashanti regional. It is there. These are things that are you cannot contest. But if you come and tell me your hometown story, the story in where Jimmy, you cannot think beyond that, and that makes you weak-minded. That is what we are talking about. We are not joking here. The intelligence na idea Juma weno, it will be tough for you people to understand where we are coming from. Facts.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.